In this lesson, you'll learn how to create annotations and use inline and advanced filters. Many times when you are managing your own site or someone else's, some events might happen which may affect your traffic that you might want to take note of. For example, it could be a large using event, a popular sporting event, say the World Cup, where, depending on what you do, you may see a large drop in traffic or a huge increase. Or something more simple like the start of an SEO campaign or your site being down. Annotations is what they're called in Google Analytics, and I'll show you what they look like. So what you see now, quite obviously, is a period where something did happen, and I've created two annotations to show that. As you can see here, on the 25th of November, the site was down and went back up on the 20th of January. If you want to create your own annotation, first click on the date that you want on the date over time graph, and then click on Create New Annotation. You can write 160 characters, you can change the date, and you can change the visibility, so either all Google Analytics users with access to your account can see it, or only you. So write something in, click Save, and you're done. If you're using many annotations, what you can do is star the date, so you filter between all and starred only. Now what if you wanted to filter this data down here in the data table to show only visits with certain dimension attributes, or that achieved certain metrics? Well, you can do with filters. Now let's say I only want to view traffic that includes the keyword term Redizer. So I type in Redizer, and you can see what comes up. But now I also want to include anything with the term VST within it. So I use the pipe character to do so. It's on my keyboard next to the left shift key, but yours might be different. The pipe key is part of regular expressions, which I won't go into now, but the pipe key is useful and easy to understand. What it allows you to do is say this or that. In this case, it's Redizer or VST. So what I'm telling this filter to do is, if the keyword contains either Redizer or VST, to show it to me. But what if I wanted to exclude certain keywords, say dubstep? I'd click on Advanced to make an advanced filter. So now it's including these keywords, and I want to exclude another. So I click on Add a Dimension or Metric, and as we know, a keyword is a dimension. So you can type it in and it'll find it for you. So now I have to exclude keywords containing dubstep. It will try and help you, but we don't want that. We just want dubstep. So as you can see, nothing containing dubstep appears. However, if you're eagle-eyed, you may have noticed terms containing dub space step. And we don't want that either. So we'll go back to the advanced filter, select Match Regular Expressions, and add a pipe key and insert dub space step. Let's use another example with advanced filters to show you what you can do. Let's say you want to see which sources, in this case websites, provide the best traffic. Now what does that mean? Well, it can mean a lot of different things to different people, different websites, different circumstances. For this example, let's just say it's visits that spend on average of over 1 minute on the website and visit 3 pages or more on average. Let's set this up then. First, let's open advanced filters and then select, instead of source, we'll select pages/visits, which is under site usage, and make it so any number greater than 3 or 3 is what it shows us. Let's add another metric in there, average visit duration, to say that visits have spent either 1 minute or more on average on the site. In this case, it works with seconds. So 1 minute equals 60, and 2, 120, and so on and so forth. So let's see what it shows us. Now we can see which source provided the most visits within the constraints of the filter we selected. You can do many things with filters, but the purpose of this lesson was for you to get an understanding of how they work and where they are. I recommend you play around with the filters on different reports and try different combinations to get the information that you want.